let's rename a few notebooks, and I will show you how to do that. So you don't do what I just did and tap on the notebook. You press and hold, and you select rename, and there's the name. And now we're going to type something different. Now I want to keep one line, so I'm going to tap it just there, and I place the cursor in the right spot, so that's really cool. Now I'm just going to delete, but if there was nothing written here, I would just type, press save, and that's done. Let's do it again. Press and hold, select rename. There it is. I want to put my cursor, I want it number 10, 3 columns. So these are all my code. I have all these code initials because you've only got so much space when you're naming files. Press and hold. So, and I want to rename it. Now I want to get right before the number 3, and I didn't make it. Oh, there we go. And now I want to delete. Beautiful. Press save. So these are all the notebooks that come in a 10-pack. Rename. I recently just created dark mode, which I absolutely love. So again, all you're doing is navigating the keyboard, and don't forget you've got numbers and symbols here, okay? And you can change your language, but I love English, so let's go with English. You can use your pen or not. Press and hold, gives you options, and then we can go through. You can get to your exact spot that you want to be in with the pen. I could use the pen to delete. One of the things that happens if you're holding the pen too much is it interferes. It starts sending messages to your device, and sometimes it can just take longer to do everything. So, and every device, I know it should be the same, but sometimes you get random things happening. So you can use, you can see you can use the pen also, or you can use your finger. One of the things with hyperlinks on the reMarkable is you need to use touch. You can't use the pen. So it's just about creating a habit. So I want to get right there. Yes, perfect. So my habit is really just to put the pen down and do all my hyperlinks with my, oops, see what happens if you press it, you'll go into it. So we'll come out of there, press and hold. See how the device is syncing? I like to show that because there is an expectation everything's instant, and everything is not instant. So you do need to, perfect. Now I'm just going to delete and save. So I've renamed, and I've actually selected alphabetical. You can sort here however you want. I've selected alphabetical. Now my 3 columns, it's number 10. What it does is it sorts by numbers, not by alphabetical. I know it's called alphabetical, but so a number 10 will come after number 1. So that's just, it is what it is. So that's how you rename several folders all at once. Yay! Please give me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more content. But a like on the video really helps me, so I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.